You're probably wondering and saying to yourself right now, no, Anderson, I pull off the best outfits. No, you don't. And I'm going to give you 5 reasons exactly why your outfits suck and how you can fix that. Firstly, your clothes just don't fit right. In an article published by Gentleman's Gazette, it says fit is king. Now, I 100% agree with that, and I also love to put it this way: fit is key. The way your clothes fit is the key in order for you to unlock your own personal style. I mean, how would you expect to look stylish or find your own personal style if your clothing didn't even fit right to begin with? Clothing that's just oversized or too skinny, it just makes you look like you just threw on some clothes on your body, didn't even know how to style it, or don't even know how to wear what you bought.
Have clothes with a logo on it? Dumb shit.
Secondly, you're wearing clothes with too many brands and mix-matching colors, just making the outfit look too complicated. Now, Leonardo da Vinci said simplicity is the ultimate sophistication, and sophistication in the sense that one has knowledge and experience in fashion and culture. Now, let's take a look at these 2 outfits, for example, outfit A and outfit B. You can see that outfit A, he just looks like a walking advertisement of brands, and the outfit is just overall too complicated for the eye, while outfit B is simple, well put together, and meets the eye really well. You want to keep your outfits simple, especially if you're just starting out on your style journey. Now, you can begin by wearing different shades of one color, which is a monotone outfit, or you can wear 2 colors. For example, you can wear a white t-shirt or a white tank top, and then you can add a second color, such as a blue layer or some blue jeans and some white shoes. That's simple, not complicated at all. Hi, my name is Anderson Himambo, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Number 3, your outfit lacks any accessories. Now, accessory is like icing on a cake. Your outfit just looks plain without any accessories, and the rule here is that you want to follow the rule of minimalism, similar to that of the overall outfit, by keeping it simple. You want to wear accessories on the naked areas, such as a chain or a necklace on your neck, a watch on your wrist, and with the watch, you want to wear a stainless steel or a classy leather band, because it doesn't get classier than that. And you can wear a pair of shades or some frames, and this will give your face extra definition, and rings or bracelets if you are into that sort of thing. This is the rule: 1 watch, 1 or 2 necklaces, 1 or 2 rings, 1 bracelet. And you don't have to wear it all at once every day. You can switch it up. Today you can wear just a watch. Tomorrow you can wear a watch and your necklace. The other day you can wear a watch and your shades. The other day you can wear a watch, your shades, your necklace. And you want to play around. You want to keep it interesting. Number 4, your hair and your shoes ain't taken care of. A famous fashion designer, Rick Owens, said, "Your hair and your shoes say it all. Everything in between is forgivable as long as you keep it simple." Now, notice how he said everything in between is forgivable as long as you keep it simple. What do you think people see first when they approach you or when they look at you? Well, of course they look at you head to toe. Your head being your hair and your toes being your shoes. If you're like me, who loves capes, I'm even wearing a cape right now, I'll definitely wear a cape when I want to grow my hair out, or I'm in a rush, or that day I just wanted to wear a cape because I just want to look good in a cape. But I will do a separate video on hair later. Now let's do another comparison, a before and after of this guy. We can see before that his hair is messy and all over the place and looks like he didn't even put in any effort into how he looks. And after, we can see that he's nicely groomed, his hair is nicely lined, and he put in effort to how he looks, and he looks instantly transformed. Now, a good haircut or hairstyle can instantly change the way you look, as it is an attractive transformation, and a haircut for guys is like makeup for them. Make sure to find a great barber, and if yes, you is the same barber man that makes you look like crop teaching, there are many nice great barber men out there, and you want to get a haircut anywhere from 2 weeks to a month, unless you want to keep your hair longer.
What are those?
Make sure to wear shoes for the appropriate occasion, and always ensure they are nicely maintained. You definitely don't step out of the house with a dirty or dusty looking shoe, or one that has a lot of creases. You always want to make sure your shoes are always clean. Lastly, you're just not confident. Yes, you heard right, you're not confident. I asked the girls on my Instagram to give men advice on how women want men to dress, and if you want to check that out, the link to my Instagram account is in the description below. Now, what stood out the most was one that said men should wear confidence. Now that's extremely true. I mean, fashion is subjective, and if you don't have the confidence to pull off an outfit, you just end up looking like a bum. So you want to be confident in whatever you wear when you step out of the house, in your own personal skin and your own personal style. If you found this video informative, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe, and share this video with your friends, your family, or whoever needs to hear, and see you next time.